couple of times every day, this bathroom ceiling fan gets turned on to extract the steam that's caused by having showers, but it's stopped working, which now means my bathroom is going to have an excess buildup of moisture, which is going to lead to mold, mildew, damp walls and floors, soggy towels, foggy mirrors, probably bacteria, and that's not what I want for my family. So either we stop having showers or I need to get this bathroom fan fixed. G'day, I'm Kent. I can tell that there's power getting to this fan because when I turn it on I hear a buzzing kind of sound. But the fan isn't spinning, so it's not getting rid of any steam. Alright, so start by turning off the power. Switch the lights on and then turn the power off at the circuit breaker. The lights switching off is a simple way to check that you've isolated the power. I'm not sure whether the fan is hardwired in or plugged in. It's a simple plug-in type, so that's handy. Man, this ceiling insulation stuff is really dusty. I don't know how this can be fire retardant. Alright, so remove the fan. Now let's head into the kitchen for a closer look at this thing. I'll soak this grill in some soapy water while we attack the rest of the fan. I'm going to start by vacuuming around the motor of the fan. I don't want to get any water around these electrical components. The rest of the fan I can just clean with wet paper towels. That seems to grab the dust really well. And I'll wipe down the rest of the fan blades and body just using this technique. Squirt a little dry silicone lubricant around the spindle of the fan. Apparently, WD-40 is the wrong type of lubricant for this, and if you know why, let me know in the comment section down below. I had to buy this can of silicone from the supermarket because I didn't have any at home. It cost me $10, but I'm sure I'm going to be able to use it for other jobs in the future. Cleaning the blades and lubricating the motor means the fan doesn't have to work so hard to run. Therefore, it's going to run quieter. I'm giving the grill a little scrub too, just to get it back to its new clean look. Rinse it off and let it dry. Some cheap fans will always be noisy, and it's because you kind of get what you pay for. I know that this fan will only be $40 or $50 to replace, but do you know what? I want to be a little bit resourceful, and if I can repair it rather than replace it, that's cool. That's one less thing in landfill. I want to check that the power's off before I plug this fan back in, because I've already trimmed my fingernails lately. When you reinstall the fan, make sure it's snug up to the ceiling. That way you'll reduce any of the vibration noise that you can get. If you service the fan like this and you find that it's still not working, it may mean that the fan motor's just worn out and it needs replacing. Measure the hole that you've got so you know what size to buy. There's a few suggested replacements in the description down below. Alright, let's turn it on. Man, that's quiet. Just kidding, it's not even on. Hold on. Well, that's good. That's on and it's spinning and it's a lot quieter than it was before. Hey, if you found that this video isn't the worst one you've ever watched, check out this video that I've got loaded up for you right here. It's ready to go and I'll see you there.